if you have this kind of mindset, you will end up setting yourself for a failure. Bakit? Kasi sometimes the progress is so minuscule. And especially when you are making mistakes, you will be discouraged. Kasi kung ang basihan mo lang ng pag-improve mo ang pagiging bilyonaryo mo, then you will not see yourself having that kind of achievement up until what? Years and years and years and years of hard work. Imagine, for those many years, hindi mo alam kung nag-i-improve ka o ano, anong gagawin mo sa sarili mo? Malamang hihinto ka. Because you are gauging yourself in an impossible metrics. Kaya sa tingin mo, wala kang ini-improve. What if, instead of viewing an improvement to become overnight wealthy, what if an improvement for a person could be reading one paragraph in a book? Any book. Diba? And then, if sanay na sila doon sa one paragraph, they can go to one page of a book. Diba? And hanggang sa masanay sila doon, and then accumulate the skill of being able to read a whole chapter. And then in time, you will be reading the book and books and more. Diba? Here's another kind of improvement. Tumakbo ka ng 1 kilometro sa first week. Diba? Kung hindi kaya, edi 500 meters. Di pa rin kaya, gawin mo 100 meters. Start at something where it is impossible to fail and maintain that kind of feat up until such you are now comfortable to take bigger, harder, and more complex task. Pero dahil ganito kabungol yung mindset ng Pilipino, anong ginagawa nila? Humihinto sila doon sa improvement at pumupunta sila doon sa mas madali, mas convenient, pangtamad, magreklamo. Diba? Kaya hindi ko maiwan tong topic na to. It's because of glaring mindset like this na sinishare ng karamihan sa Pilipino. I want them to realize how much power they have in changing their lives. Huwag lang kayong totropa sa mga taong may ganitong mindset because ihihilahin niya kayo pababa. Sabi ko nga kung may 5 tropa kang tamad, di nagtatrabaho, tambay, sugarol, ikaw yung magiging pang-6. So layuan nyo yung ganitong taong may klaseng or ganitong tao na may klase ng mindset. Kasi hindi siya makakatulong, hindi siya makaka-inspire sa'yo to be more, to be better.